Hey guys, Pyrocrafter here with a brick of ThunderBomb firecrackers. These are new for the 2023 season. There's no brand name anywhere. All it says is made in China. Yeah, that cellophane's super light. The label's not glued to it either, to the brick. Now, the first thing I noticed about these ThunderBombs here is the label on the brick has a 16 string, and on the actual pack, I don't know what that is. That looks like that might be a 50 string is my guess. These are just your average all red firecracker, crimped ends. Although what I do like about these is it has a nice long visco leader.